I didn't get paid yet. I didn't get paid yet. My bank card doesn't work. My bank card doesn't work. The flight's delayed. The flight's delayed. My cat got sick. My cat got sick. I'm really scared of shots. I'm really scared of shots. Carry the chair inside. Carry the chair inside. I fought off a mugger. I fought off a mugger. I spent too much money. I spent too much money. I lost my receipt. I lost my receipt. I broke my glasses. I broke my glasses. I can't find my charger. I can't find my charger. I forgot to call back. I forgot to call back. The kid won't take their medicine. The kid won't take their medicine. Call an ambulance. Call an ambulance. I ate way too much fast food. I ate way too much fast food. I have stretch marks on my butt. I have stretch marks on my butt. He tried to bribe me. He tried to bribe me. I have a nosebleed. I have a nosebleed. My leg's cramping. My leg's cramping. My boss yelled at me. My boss yelled at me. I got lost. I got lost. I have heartburn. I have heartburn. I've been crying a lot. I've been crying a lot. I overthink everything. I overthink everything. Ouch! I just got shocked. Ouch! I just got shocked. I'm addicted to my phone. I'm addicted to my phone. I still have way too much to do. I still have way too much to do. I'm waiting to hear back about the interview. I'm waiting to hear back about the interview. I'm in so much pain. I'm in so much pain. I have to take painkillers. I have to take painkillers. It's way too noisy. It's way too noisy. I'm having money problems. I'm having money problems. I'm balding on top. I'm balding on top. I got mocked for being pregnant in school. I got mocked for being pregnant in school. The veins on my legs are showing. The veins on my legs are showing. I've got the runs. I've got the runs. I have to work overtime. I have to work overtime. I keep scratching my hand. I keep scratching my hand. I tore the contract in half. I tore the contract in half. My alarm clock's way too loud. My alarm clock's way too loud. I was detained by security. I was detained by security. Don't touch the cactus. Don't touch the cactus. Help, he's choking. Help, he's choking. I got sunburned. I got sunburned. I need to trim my beard. I need to trim my beard. I'm terrified of public speaking. I'm terrified of public speaking. I'm bummed out today. I'm bummed out today. I'm fighting with my best friend. I'm fighting with my best friend. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Babe, please forgive me. Babe, please forgive me.